Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to download and install HP DeskJet 6122 printer driver in a Windows 10 PC or laptop. It is a very easy and simple process. So let's go to our video. First step is we check our PC or laptop is 32-bit or 64-bit. Go to this PC, right click on this PC, click on the properties. Wait for a few seconds. In a property, scroll down and find system type. If system type is 32-bit, that means that machine is 32-bit operating system machine. If system type is 64-bit, that means that machine is 64-bit operating system machine. This machine is 64-bit operating system machine. Close it. Next step is download our printer driver. Go to the YouTube description. There are two links. First is the Google Drive link 64-bit and 32-bit, or go to the mega link 64-bit or 32-bit. My machine is 64-bit machine, so I click on the 64-bit link. If your machine is 32-bit, then click on the 32-bit link. My machine is 64, I click on the 64-bit link, and that link is open in a web browser. Okay, after that download it, go to the here download or go to the here file and click on the download or Control D on your keyboard. Both are same. I click on the download. And download is started. Wait for a few seconds. It's redirect to another page. Wait for a few seconds to complete this process. Our download is started. It's take less than 1 minute. So be patient and wait for a few minutes. Our download is completed. Go to the downloads, click on show in folder, minimize it and drag the setup file to desktop. Close it. Here we find the setup file of the our drivers. Right click on that setup file. This is an zip file, this is an zip file, and we are going to unzip it. Right click on it, click on extract files, click on the OK. Now it is extracted and new folder is created on the desktop. Double click on it. Here we find our drivers and we are going to install these drivers. That is also easy and simple. Close it. Next step is install these drivers. Go to the start, type printers and scanners, click on the printers and scanners. In a printer list at the top, we find add a printer or scanner. Click on add a printer or scanner. Wait for a few seconds and new options are pop up on our screen. New options are the printer that I want isn't listed. Click on that. The printer that I want isn't listed. Close it. Here we find add a printer. In add a printer, go to the last option. Add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Select last option. Click on the next. Here we find existing port, most IMP part of this installation. Click it here and select any USB port that you find. USB 0.1, USB 0.2, USB 0.3, USB 0.4. Select any USB port that you find. Select USB port. Click on the next. Here we find our manufacturer and printer. Don't go to the here. Go to the here. Have a disk. Click on have a disk. Click on browse. Go to the desktop. Click on desktop. In a desktop, go to our newly extracted folder or unzip folder. Double click on it. Here we find single file. Select that single file. Select this file. This is our driver file. Select that. Click on open. Click on OK. Here we find many printers. From this all printer, find HP DeskJet. Find HP DeskJet. Scroll down. Scroll down. Scroll down. Find HP DeskJet 920C. Find HP DeskJet 920C. This printer and our printer HP DeskJet 6122 are the same motherboard, using the same motherboard, same properties, and all things are same. That's why this printer is absolutely work with our printer name HP DeskJet 6122. Same drivers, so I select HP DeskJet 920C and click on the next. Here we find our printer name. Give any printer name that you like. I give HP DeskJet 6122. I give this printer name. You can give any printer name that you like and click on the next. It's installing our printer and it's take few seconds. So be patient and wait for a few seconds or few minutes depending on the speed of our PC or laptop. It's take less than 1 minute. So be patient and wait for install this printer, properly install this printer on our PC or laptop. It's install our printer in a 1 or 2 minutes. our printer is installed. After installation is complete, if you want to share this printer in a network, then select this. I don't, so I select do not share this printer. First option, click on the next. If you want to print a test page, then click on a printer test page or click on a finish. Next step is check our printer is properly installed or not. Go to start, type printers and scanners, click on the printers and scanners. In a printer list, if you find your printer name HP DeskJet 6122 or whatever name that you queue that we find at this point, that means our printer is properly installed and it's work 110% in a Windows 10 PC or laptop. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.